I'm at a practice of the Fighting Phantom soccer team in Tacoma and looking for some math around town.
And they are practicing. What I've seen so far is a ball has been passing on the ground, making straight lines from one player to another. And look, what a beautiful throw. The ball was thrown in the air, making a curve, and oh, nice! The red team just scored their first goal. How exciting! Well, let's talk about straight shots in soccer. This is an animation of when a ball is passed or shot on the ground. Clearly, in this type of shot, the ball moves in a straight line. Let's learn from the coach more about straight shots in soccer.
And this is Alex Miller, the coach of the team. Hey Alex, how's it going?
It's good. It's good. A little cold, but good.
Yeah, thanks for letting me do this movie and video with you guys.
Sure. A pleasure.
It looks really fun. And Alex, I have a question for you that in soccer, when would a straight shot should be made?
Ooh. In terms of keeping it on the ground and passing to teammates, well, I would say, yeah, in passing situations, it's nice to keep it on the ground. If you have if there's a defender in between you and where you're trying to get the ball, maybe you kind of keep it on the ground so it goes in a straight line.
Can you think of a disadvantage of making a straight shot?
Ooh. Well, I mean, if you keep things on the ground, it's easier for the opposing team to intercept the ball.
Yeah.
That's a major one. And it does seem like, I'm not this kind of scientist, but it seems like the ball travels a little slower when you're kind of keeping it on the ground.
Okay.
Versus, really kind of kicking it through the air.
And how about a curve shot?
Well, that's, we've been working on that this season, trying to get it up off the ground a little bit. I feel like when you're shooting on goal, getting it up in the air definitely helps.
Yeah.
Because it kind of increases, the scoreable area, I would say. Instead of just being kind of from one end of the goal to the other end of the goal, now it's from one end to the other end, but also the corner and the corner.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Nice.
And then, like I was saying before, if you're trying to pass to a teammate and there's an opponent in between you and that teammate, getting the ball over the opponent that's a good strategy. It's tough to do though. I feel like it's, once that ball takes flight, there's often no telling where it's going to land with this crew.
As Alex mentioned earlier, a curve shot would increase the scoreable area because the ball can land at one of the upper corners as well. In mathematics, the shape made by the blue ball is called a line, and the curve made by the red ball is called a parabola. What a cool name, huh? Let's take a look at some of the players practicing straight and curve shots.
All right, passing on the ground.
Curve shots are harder to make and require a lot more practice. So, whenever you watch a sport game like basketball, baseball, or football, look for lines or parabolas. And the Fighting Phantoms team is about to send to you a message.
So look around, Grant Fighting Phantoms.